Welcome to Threading Your Sewing Machine, Sewing 101. Okay, we are going to start with how do we thread the Bernina 330. If you are in Mrs. McHenry's sewing class, then you are in the right place. We are going to learn how to thread this machine today. As a reminder, we have a spool pin here and we have a spool pin that flips up on the side of the machine. Today, I specifically want you using this spool pin. So first thing we are going to do, we are going to take our thread, we are going to drop it onto that top spool pin. That way we don't have to put a stopper right here, it's going to stay right there the whole time we use it. As we are threading the machine, we need to remember the pathway that our thread follows. It's going to go back behind here, down in front, loop around, loop here, then down through the needle. So we are going to zoom in on these portions in particular so that you guys can go ahead and see what is going on. So we're going to swivel our camera here for a second. Sorry, my camera's taking a second to set it up. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead, we're going to grab this thread, we're going to floss it back behind our upper thread tension, okay? It should essentially floss back behind this hook. Then we're going to bring it forward. There's a little arrow on the top of the machine. If you slide your thread along the arrow and then in, it's going to go between our thread tension plates, which is what we are wanting to have happen. From here, we are going to take our thread down, following this arrow right here, and up. Then, we're going to take our thread up to the top of the machine. We want it to go to the right side of our thread take-up lever first, loop around to the left, pull it forward. When we do that, it takes our thread through the hole in the thread take-up lever right here. So our thread should kind of come out of that thread take-up lever. From here, we're going to move down to threading our needle. Our needle has some little hooks above it that are going to help our thread lay flat when we are threading. So what we want to do, and I'm going to zoom in on this in a second, but we want to take our thread right here, back behind the hook on the right, behind the wire hook here on the left. This one might take a little bit more. There you go. Then we are going to take our thread through the eye of the needle. Once our thread is through the eye of the needle, it should form a straight line down. Then we're going to take it underneath our presser foot. Once we've done that, we have effectively threaded our needle. You can see that there's a straight line from here all the way through the eye of the needle. It is not wrapped around the needle at all. And that is how we are going to thread our sewing machine.